Okay, so here I am logged into my fake third grader account, and I'm going to click on my Google Classroom for the day to see what my assignments are. Go to classwork, and there's all of these assignments in here, okay? I'm going to click like I was going to do today's math assignment. Okay, you have to make sure, this is important, that you pressed view assignment, okay? Once this pops up, you click on your work, and you type in all of your answers, okay? So here's how to zoom in. 50%, 100%, however full you need it, okay? So how many cups are in 1 pint? So 1 cup equals, oh, gotta click out of there. 1 pint equals 2 cups. Okay, so now this is my work. All of it saves automatically. So I'm going to show you by highlighting my answer. Okay, so this is highlighted. I'm just going to X out of this. Okay, fake third grader. When I'm done with everything on the screen, I'm going to press turn in. Then turn in. Okay, now it's turned in. Because if you, and then if we look on my end, daily math assignments. On my end, here's my fake third grader, okay? I click on it, and now I see the changed things. See, everything was saved, and I can see everything that was done. I can see everything now, okay? And then I can grade it. If you do not do it this way, I will not be able to see it, and it will end up being that I get your fresh copy before it was edited. So please make sure that you follow those steps.